We got on the truck. Always remember 3 points of contact: two hands, 1 feet. Put our seatbelt, not turn, no cuts, not damage. Latching, unlatching. We put our key in the ignition, turn into the on position. We're gonna turn on the truck to build up the pressure between 90 and 125 psi. We're gonna perform our safe start. Cover the brake, make sure both of our spring brakes are applied, our vehicle is in neutral, engine on. Our ABS light came on and off. It means that our ABS system is working properly. Pressure needs to be building up between 90 and 125 psi. At 90, my governor cuts in. At 125, my governor cuts off. At 150 psi, our safety release valve opens up to release any extra air. That's my governor cutoff. It means that my governor is working properly. I'm gonna make sure both of my spring brakes are applied. My vehicle is in neutral. Turn off the vehicle. Key always in my pocket. I'm getting down to check my wheels. Getting down, always with your left leg first, so you can have the 3 points of contact. Put one in the front, one in the back. Get back on the truck. Put your seatbelt back on. Take the key, your pocket. Bring your vehicle to the on position. Wait for gauges to stabilize. For our in-cab, the first test we're going to do is the applied pressure test. For that test, we're going to release both of our spring brakes, parking brake, and trailer emergency brake. We're going to press and hold for 1 minute our service brake, and in that minute, we shouldn't lose more than 4 psi on my combination vehicle or more than 3 psi on a straight truck. We're going to go ahead and perform the test. First, we're going to release parking brake and our trailer emergency brake. Wait 10 seconds for pressure to stabilize. Now we press and hold our service brake for 1 minute. Okay, 60 seconds went by and I didn't lose more than 4 psi in my combination vehicle. It means that that test was a success. Next, we're gonna perform our fan down 1 or our low air pressure warning light. We're gonna pump our brake pedal, and between 60 and 55 psi, our lower pressure warning signal should come on. I'm gonna go ahead and perform the test. Our low air pressure warning light came on at 58 psi. That means that my low air pressure warning system is working properly. Now we're gonna perform our fan down 2. For our fan down 2, we're gonna keep pumping our brake pedal, and between 45 and 20 psi, my trailer emergency brake should pop out, and between 40 and 20 psi, my tractor parking brake should pop out. I'm gonna go ahead and perform the test. All right, both of my spring brakes popped out at 25 psi. That means that that test was a success. Now we're gonna be testing our brakes. We're gonna be testing our tractor parking brake, our trailer emergency brake, and our service brake. First, we gotta go down and unchuck our wheels. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Take the key, place it in my pocket. I will unchuck my wheels. Now we're gonna be performing our brake test. First, we're gonna test our tractor parking brake. In order to do that, I'm gonna press my brake, vehicle in gear, release my trailer emergency brake, try to move my truck, and it should not move. Feel that resistance, press brake again, apply my trailer emergency brake, vehicle in neutral. In conclusion, my tractor parking brake is working properly. Now we're gonna test our trailer emergency brake. In order to do that, we're gonna press our brake, vehicle in first gear, release our tractor parking brake, try to move our truck, and it should not move. There's my resistance. Press our brake again, apply our tractor parking brake, vehicle in neutral. In conclusion, my trailer emergency brake is working properly. Now we're gonna test our service brake. To do that, we're gonna press our brake, vehicle in first gear, release both tractor parking and trailer emergency brake, move our vehicle slowly forward for about 5 miles per hour, press our brake pedal again, take hands off the steering wheel, and our truck should stop in a straight line. I'm gonna go ahead and perform the test. Press brake, vehicle in first gear, release both tractor and trailer emergency brake, move our vehicle slowly forward, press our brake pedal, take hands off the steering wheel, apply both of our brakes again, vehicle in neutral. My vehicle stopped in a straight line. In conclusion, my service brake is working properly. If it didn't stop in a straight line, I could have 1 out of 6 problems. Steering problem, broken suspension, brakes out of adjustment, low air pressure in the front tire, uneven pavement or ground, or unbalanced cargo. Now we're going to be talking about our safety or emergency equipment inside the truck. First, we have a fire extinguisher. A fire extinguisher has to be ABC or BC10. ABC is for all fires, BC10 is for electric and liquids. It's got to be properly mounted and secured to my truck. It's got to be fully charged. Our safety pin must be present, and it's got to be up to date. We also have 3 reflective triangles. They got to be safe in a box, orange in color, not broken, clean, not cracked, safe in a toolbox, properly mounted and secured to my truck. We also have our spare fuses, 1 of each type, safe in a box. Now we're going to test our lighting indicators. Our lighting indicators are my right turn signal, left turn signal, 4-way flashes, marker lights, low beams, high beams, all functioning properly. Our windshield must be clean, no cracks, not broken, rubber sealed all around to prevent any leaks. I'm allowed to have 1 crack, but I gotta replace it as soon as possible. With 2 cracks, my truck is out of service. I should have 2 stickers, 1 safety inspection sticker for 6 months, 1 insurance sticker for 1 year. My windshield wipers working properly. Rubber has proper tension, not broken, not cracked, not damaged. My windshield washer fluid has got to be filled to the proper level, refill if necessary. My mirrors properly mounted and secured to my truck, clean, not cracked, free of any debris, rubber seal all around, and properly adjusted for the drive. I also have my heater and defroster, all modes functioning properly, blowing hot and cold air. My fan is working, and all the other modes are working. I also have my horns. I got a city horn, electric, and a highway horn, air. And that concludes my in-cab inspection.